Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, Claude has announced another new exciting feature which is Claude Sonnet 4 now supports 1 million tokens of context, and also they have this prompt caching and this batch processing, and this feature with these three features you can reduce your API cost. Here you see Claude Sonnet 4 now supports up to 1 million tokens of context on the Anthropic API. So that means if you use this Claude Sonnet 4 to this open router, or if you directly paste that code base in this Claude.ai, this will not be supported, because in this open router here you see that currently they have written this 200k context window. It is not 1 million. So if you want to get that 1 million context window, then you have to use their own Anthropic API. A 5x increase that lets you process the entire code base with over 75,000 lines of code. This is huge, man. This is huge. 75,000 lines of code or dozens of research papers in a single request. Another thing I want to mention, that yesterday I published a video that what you should learn in this 2025, because there are many models, many things are there, okay, and people are getting confused whether they should learn that agentic AI or building generative apps. So what people are actually building in the industry, we have analyzed in this video that survey. So please watch this video and you will get a huge idea, and also you will be a future ready. So please watch this. And here you see longer context, that means more use cases. With longer context, developers can now run more comprehensive and data intensive use cases with Claude, like large scale code analysis. Load entire code bases including source file, test, documentation. Claude can understand project architecture, identify cross-file dependencies, and suggest improvements that account for the complete system design. That means if you have any unknown code base, then you can take that full source code and that test folder also, and that documentation, technical documentation, give all of that to Claude with their Anthropic official API, and it will do that full code analysis, and it will help you to build a better system design. Next is this document synthesis. So if you are interested to do some kind of research paper analysis, then you can give that whole PDF. Here you see process extensive document sets like legal contracts, research papers, or technical specifications. Analyze relationships across hundreds of documents while maintaining full context. And this is huge, man. So here, those who are actually connected with this research related things, or those who are actually working with this kind of legal contracts daily, they will get a huge benefits, because you see that in case of these contracts, there are hundreds of pages, and in that hundred of pages there are multiple lines are there. So if you can take that image or take that PDF and upload it to this platform, and you can analyze that whole document through their Anthropic official API. So this will be huge. And next one is this context aware agents. Build agents that maintain context across hundreds of tool calls, multi-step workflows, include complete API documentation, tool definition, and interaction histories without losing the coherence. And this is amazing. And if you see that also the prices will be increased, and previously also it was there. So for this less than equals to 200k, the price will remain same. It is for 1 million input token, it is $3 and $15 for the output. But for this greater than 200k, means up to 1 million and greater than 200k, the input is $6 per 1 million and output is $22 per 1 million. So price will get increased. For that we have this prompt caching technique and this batch processing. So if you see that I have written one in a simple real life example, I have given here, like this is the e-commerce product description generation. Suppose you have a this is one of the example. So when you will understand this example, you can relate it to your use case also. Okay, so just understand this example so that you can get the actual idea of prompt caching and batch processing. Suppose you have an e-commerce platform and you have 10,000 products. Okay, and products can be blue cotton t-shirt, size M, and soft fabric. These are the product some features, and you want a whole description with all of this specification, and you have 10,000 such products. So that means you want description for the 10,000 products, and in that case, if you use this prompt caching, then how will you will be benefited? Here you see, you can write in this way. Okay, you can write in this way. This is the request, and this is your API key, and this is the model, let's say Claude 4 Sonnet, and this is the cache control and the type. Here we have mentioned cache this instruction. This is basically the system prompt or system instruction that you are caching. Okay, so the interesting thing is that this is the for the first product. Okay, this is for the first product, the cache control, and the type is ephemeral. And if you go for this next product, again you are hitting the same system prompt that you want the product description in this tone. The type will be ephemeral, so the tone for this system prompt is same, and in this way you are getting that cache hit. Okay, so if you do this, then what will happen? Your cost will be reduced, and let me show you that how much cost will be reduced. So here you see that without caching, your total cost is around $9,450. But with caching, here you see that batch pricing plus cache hits, your cost will be reduced, and it is around. Let me show you that it is around $4,520. So that means half dollar cost got reduced. Okay, so 9,450 without batch or caching, but it is half cost got reduced with caching and in batch mode. Okay, so in this way you will get advantage of this prompt caching and batch processing, and also you will get the advantage of this 1 million context window. And next, here you see that bold.new transforms web development by integrating Claude into their browser-based development platform. We know that bold.new has, and they are saying that Claude Sonnet 4 remains our go-to model for code generation workflows, consistently outperforming other leading models in the production. And we know that Gemini 2.5 Pro also has this 1 million context window, but the power of coding, there is a huge difference between this Claude and Gemini. Okay, so before, as Gemini had this feature of 1 million context window, so people were very much interested with that Gemini 2.5 Pro. But if you want to really do something with the code, then you have to go with this Claude models, because Claude models are best for coding. With the 1 million context window, developers can now work on significantly larger projects while maintaining the high accuracy we need for real-world coding. And CEO of Bold.new is saying that Customer Spotlight, London-based Agent AI is advancing the field of software development with Maestro, an AI partner that transforms conversions into executable code. So what was once impossible is now reality. Claude Sonnet 4 with 1 million token context has supercharged autonomous capabilities in Maestro, our software engineering agent, and Agent AI. So this is their own agent. Okay, and here you see that this leap unlocks true production scale in a engineering multi-day sessions on real-world code bases, establishing a new paradigm in agentic software engineering, said the CEO of Agent AI. So people are using this 1 million context window, and they found that it is solving some real-world use cases, and it is very much necessary things that that Claude has published. So I hope you got some ideas. And another thing that I want to mention again, that if you want to get this 1 million context window power, then use it through their official API, Anthropic API. This is the API where you have to go this console.anthropic.com and just set up your billing process, just buy some balances here. Okay, and it is a pay as you go model. That means whatever tokens that you will consume, it will charge you that only. And if you use this open router or this their Claude.ai official chat window, there this 1 million context window is not supported. Okay, so I hope you got to know many things from this video. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also, and please watch the other videos. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.